Grand Theft Auto 6 is coming, and Rockstar Games is pulling out all the stops. Today, let's dive into 5 confirmed features that are set to make GTA 6 the most ambitious game in the series yet. First up, we're heading back to the iconic city of Vice City. But this isn't the Vice City you remember. This time, it's bigger, bolder, and bursting with modern energy. The map now sprawls across the bustling city, lush suburbs, wild beaches, and far beyond into swamps and rural landscapes of the fictional state of Leonida. You'll spot real-life Florida inspirations, current internet memes, and all the cultural quirks that come with them. Next, meet the new generation of NPCs and police. Everyone you encounter feels more real. Pick a fight in public and witness crowds scatter, or film you. Law enforcement is smarter than ever, tracking you with CCTV, using civilian tip-offs, and even differentiating responses based on your crimes. If you want to shake the cops, you'll need to be clever. New disguises, new cars, and fast thinking are all in play. GTA 6 is packed with new side activities. Whether you want to relax with a game of billiards, hit the waves on a kayak, fish for your next meal, or work out at the gym, there's something for everyone. Plus, wild dirt bike races and countless surprises await as you explore this vibrant world. History is made with GTA 6's protagonists. For the first time ever, you'll play as Lucia, recently released from prison, the first female protagonist in GTA history. Team up or switch over to Jason, her partner in crime, as you plot and pull off high-stakes jobs all across Leonida. And let's not forget the wildlife. From prowling alligators to curious lizards, GTA 6's world teems with life, especially in the untamed countryside. These animals aren't just for show. They'll influence missions, side activities, and the entire feel of the world, making it Rockstar's most immersive open world yet. With all this and more, GTA 6 promises to redefine open-world gaming. Are you ready to step into the next level of chaos, adventure, and unforgettable stories? Let us know what feature you're most excited for in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.